सर्वांगे नमस्कार. GSP खाणाचे व्हिडिओज आम्ही अपलोड करताय इंग्लिशांतूय कोंकणींतूय. आता 70 व्हिडिओज गेला नसं. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय. Gova Pittiye Polo. Gova Pittiye Polos or wheat flour dosas are instant dosas which don't require fermentation and so a boom when you haven't pre-planned for the morning breakfast. And when they are very crisp, they will surely be liked by all. So here is how you make nurnuri polos. Watch till the end to get all the tips. In a bowl, take 1 cup of atta and 1/4 cup of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, some curry leaves, some coriander leaves, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies according to your spice level, and salt to taste. Mix and add water. Mix well with a whisk, avoiding any lumps. Add enough water to reach a very thin consistency like buttermilk. Now the batter is ready and you can immediately start making dosas. Heat your dosa tawa and grease it. Now just splash a ladle of the batter and allow it to spread uniformly on the tawa by twirling it. Do not use the ladle to spread it as is usually done. Now drizzle some ghee for that extra taste and let cook on medium flame. When it has started to brown, lightly scrape and remove it. Do likewise with the rest of the batter. You may also sprinkle onions on top or add directly in the batter too. Enjoy this crisp dosa with chutney, sambar or any spicy dish. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.